Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Agriculum. Today we start with lecture 2 of dairy processing and safety issues. The topics that will be covered are definition and types of pasteurization of milk and sterilization of milk. Let's start with pasteurization of milk. What is the definition? Pasteurization of milk is the process of heating milk to a specific temperature for a defined period to destroy harmful bacteria, pathogens and spoilage causing microorganisms without significantly affecting its nutritional value and taste. What it says is हम मिल्क को स्पेसिफिक टेम्परेचर पे हीट करेंगे फॉर अ डिफाइंड पीरियड. किस लिए हीट कर रहे हैं हम? इन ऑर्डर टू डिस्ट्रॉय द हार्मफुल बैक्टीरिया विदाउट सिग्निफिकेंटली अफेक्टिंग उसकी न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू या फिर उसका टेस्ट. नाउ purpose of pasteurization. First one is to eliminate disease causing microorganisms like Salmonella, Listeria, E. coli and Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Second is to increase the shelf life of milk by reducing microbial growth. Lastly, to maintain the nutritional and sensory qualities of milk while ensuring its safety for consumption. और safety for consumption कैसे ensure होगी? जब हम disease causing harmful microorganisms और bacteria को destroy कर देते हैं. Now आता है types of pasteurization. There are different methods of pasteurizing milk classified on the basis of temperature and time. First one is low temperature long time LTLT pasteurization, which is also known as batch method. इसमें क्या होता है? The temperature is kept at 63 degrees Celsius or 145 degree Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. The time duration is 30 minutes. What is it used when it is used? It is used when dairy processing या farm based milk production is there. When the milk production is on small scale. High temperature short time HTST pasteurization, also known as flash pasteurization. In this, temperature is 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. It is the most commonly used method for commercial milk production. Next up is ultra high temperature pasteurization. The temperature that is kept is 135 to 150 degrees Celsius and the time duration is just 2 to 5 seconds. What is the use? It is used to produce milk that has shelf life for months without refrigeration. So without refrigeration, the milk can be stored for months. Lastly, we have higher heat, shorter time pasteurization. What happens is 85 to 100 degrees Celsius का temperature रहता है. Time varies, but it is not used extensively and its primary use is when we want to extend the shelf life of the product, but it is not commonly used. Next is sterilization of milk. What is the definition? Sterilization of milk is a heat treatment process that eliminates all microorganisms, including bacteria, spores, and pathogens, making the milk completely safe for consumption and shelf stable without refrigeration. Unlike pasteurization, which only kills the harmful bacteria while preserving some beneficial microorganisms, sterilization ensures the total destruction of all microbes, extending the shelf life significantly. What it wants to say is, pasteurization में हम लोग एक particular temperature पे milk को heat कर रहे थे in order to kill only the harmful bacteria. But जब हम sterilization करते हैं तो हम इस extent तक milk को heat करते हैं कि हम सारे kind of microorganisms को kill कर देते हैं, whether it is beneficial or harmful. Now, why sterilization is required? First one is it eliminates the harmful microorganisms. In sterilization, it destroys bacteria, viruses, and spores that can cause foodborne diseases. Second up is extends the shelf life. It allows milk to be stored for months without refrigeration. In pasteurization, refrigeration is required, but in sterilization, there is no requirement for refrigeration for months. It prevents spoilage. It removes the spoilage bacteria, maintaining freshness as well as taste. Ensures safe transportation. Reduces dependency on refrigeration for long distribution. लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस के लिए जब हमें मिल्क को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना होता है तो इन ऑर्डर टू कीप इट सेफ वी हैव टू रेफ्रिजरेट इट, बट अगर आपने स्टेरलाइज कर रखा है तो आपको रेफ्रिजरेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. Improves public health safety, prevents diseases like tuberculosis and brucellosis. Meets food safety regulation, complies with FSSAI, FDA and Codex Alimentarius standards. Supports dairy industry, used in UHT milk, canned milk and other dairy products. Now types of milk sterilization. In container sterilization. In this method, milk is filled into sealed containers. Sealed containers as if glass bottles हो गई, cans हो गए या फिर cartons हो गए जो कि sealed होने चाहिए. And then it is heated. At what temperature? 110 to 120 degrees Celsius. For what time? 10 to 30 minutes. The process is done in pressurized steam sterilizers or autoclaves. These are structures or machineries that are used. Advantages: long shelf life, up to several months without refrigeration. Disadvantages are some changes in taste and slight browning due to prolonged heating. तो जब हम इन कंटेनर स्टेरिलाइजेशन करते हैं तो उसका यही डिसएडवांटेज है कि स्लाइट ब्राउनिंग हो जाती है और चेंज आ जाता है टेस्ट में. नेक्स्ट इज अल्ट्रा हाई टेम्परेचर स्टेरिलाइजेशन. This is a more modern and widely used method, especially for commercial milk production. टेम्परेचर कितना रहता है? 135 to 150 डिग्री सेल्सियस और टाइमिंग कितनी रहेगी? जस्ट 2 to 5 seconds. Milk is rapidly heated and then immediately cooled before being packed in aseptic containers. Aseptic containers होते हैं जिनमें कि कोई पैथोजन या बैक्टीरिया नहीं होता है, एकदम क्लीन. एडवांटेजेस क्या है इसके? मिनिमल लॉस ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड बेटर फ्लेवर कंपेयर टू इन कंटेनर स्टेरिलाइजेशन, क्योंकि उसमें हमारा टेस्ट में चेंज आ रहा था. डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या है इसके? रिक्वायर्स एसेप्टिक पैकेजिंग एंड स्पेशलाइज्ड इक्विपमेंट चाहिए होता है. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज लेक्चर. लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.